Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send USDT from your Tonkeeper wallet account. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Tonkeeper wallet app. If you have already downloaded the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Here you can see the send option over here. Tap on it. Now here you need to enter the address of the recipient where you want to send your USDT. For example, I'll go to my Binance. I'll go to deposit crypto. I'll select USDT from here. You can choose any network. Here you can see the deposit address. I'll be sending USDT to this address. So you can copy this address. Now go back to Tonkeeper. Now paste the address you just copied over there. You can add any comments. Next up, tap on this continue button at the bottom. Now here, by default, it is showing me the Ton coins, but in order to send USDT, tap on this drop down list. Now select USDT. Now you can enter the amount of USDT that you want to send. You must have sufficient USDT in your account, and you will be able to send USDT to the receiver. You can enter your desired amount and tap on this continue button. So that's it. That's how you can send USDT from your Tonkeeper wallet account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.